Hello everyone. This is a second session from the chapter uh, Communication Mix in Marketing. Now, before starting the second session, just I will go through the quick review of the first session. Uh, like these are the objectives, communication process, types of communication channel. These already we have discussed. Now I will discuss developing a communication program. Then in the third session, promotional tools and marketing promotional tools or marketing communication mix and factor need to be considered in setting the marketing communication mix. Now in the first session we have discussed communication process. These are core component or elements of the communication process. Then this is communication model. Then these are detailed literature about the communication source. Then this is receiver, then coding process, medium of transmission, decoding process, noise, feedback. Then we have also discussed types of communication channel. There are two types: personal channel, non-personal channel. Now we'll start our second session on developing communication program. Now in developing communication program, marketer cannot afford to utilize all the tools to promote their product or service, as the cost would be too large. Therefore, marketer need to identify the right mix of promotional tools that would ensure the communication and that promotional tool that would ensure that the communication reaches the consumer at right time and right place. For this, it is necessary that marketer develop a proper communication program. Now, to have a proper communication program, marketer need to follow 4 steps. This is basically the overview of the developing a communication program. Now, here, first marketer need to identify the target audience identification. Then second, determination of the communication objectives. Thirdly, developing marketing communication budget, and finally factor influencing the developing of communication message. Okay, here we will discuss what factor influences the developing of the communication message. So these are the 4 stages marketer need to, or any marketing manager need to follow to develop a proper communication program. Now we will go through the more detail of these steps. Like first is the identification of the target audience or identifying target audience. It is essential that marketers identify the target market and its needs accurately. This would help them in devising a successful marketing program. While attempting to identify the target customers, marketers should keep in mind such as aspects as age, gender, occupation, lifestyle, geographic area, consumption pattern, taste, preference of the target audience. So these things marketer need to consider very seriously before during the identification of the target audience. In addition, marketer must also attach relevance to lifestyle, psychographics of the target audience. Now, target audience identification is very vital, because if the target audience identification is wrong, then marketer product will not perform well, and it may become a failure. Next step is determining objective or determination of communication objective. Determination of communication objective. The marketer must know exactly in what stage the communication is. The marketer will then be able to develop communication objective by deciding what type of communication should be at what stage. This objective should be in tune with the company's marketing strategies. There are some areas on which marketer can develop the communication objectives, like creating awareness, giving knowledge, then increasing likeliness or liking, then preference based on quality, conviction, purchase, reminder, then stimulate demand. So these are some example of communication objectives. Now we will go few of these in detail. For example, awareness. In awareness, how marketer can develop the objectives or determine the objectives. Company may choose to focus their communication strategy on creating awareness about new product or improvements made to an existing product. Then if we talk about the knowledge, when consumers have little or no knowledge of an existing product, then the marketer attempt to increase the consumer knowledge through their communication message. Then liking. If consumer do not accept a product despite its knowledge, marketer then attempt to communicate to the consumer the value addition incorporated in the product, so that customer start liking the product. Then preference can be objectives based on quality. Then convictions. Sometimes customers may like a product but may not have the conviction to buy it. In such cases, the marketer would attempt to build up this conviction in potential consumers. Then purchase reminder. Marketer give reminder again and again, so that their advertisement or product remains in the unconscious mind of the customer, and while customers takes decision, customer may easily recall the brands in a particular segment or particular sector. Then it may be related to the increasing demand. Stimulate demand refers to increasing demand for the product or services. Next, third stage is budget. Now in the budget there are 4 methods. Like if any marketing manager wants to set up the or wants to develop a proper communication program, then marketing manager need to follow any one method of the budgeting for the communication program. Now there are 4 methods. All these 4 methods we will discuss. First method is objective and task method. In the objective and task method, company first determines the objective of the communication and accordingly set the tasks that need to be done to accomplish the objectives. Finally, the company devises a comprehensive budget depending upon the tasks of the communication program. Like if we simplify the objective task method, first objective, then tasks. Tasks need to be decide to perform the or to complete the objectives. Now to perform tasks, company will need money. That is basically the budget for communication program. Then competitive parity method. Competitive parity method, or we can say in competitive parity method, the marketer budgets is equivalent to the budget set by the competitors. Or simply we can say that in competitive parity method, marketer follow the budget policy or budget of their competitors available in the market, and following the competitors they set their own budget. The next is percentage of sales method of budget. The marketer estimate the current and future sales of the company's product and accordingly allocate a budget as a certain percentage of the estimated sales. What I said, I repeat again. The marketer estimate the current and future sales of the company's product and accordingly allocate budget as a certain percentage of the estimated sales. Say for example 5% of the estimated sales, because sales need to be project, sales need to be predict. Okay, so based on the prediction, from that revenue which company is supposed to be generate, any percentage company based on their financial analysis can be allocated for the communication program budget. Then last one is affordability method of budget. Now in the affordability method, the marketer set the communication budget as per the affordability of the company. They will allocate money on the basis that how much company can afford. On that basis they will allocate the communication program budget. Then last stage is the or last steps is the factor influencing the designing of communication message. Now factor influencing the designing of communication message depends on message content, message structure, message format and message source. There are four factors which already I said. These are message content, message structure, message format and message source. So first we will discuss here message content. In message content there can be three types of content, or marketer can create three types of appeal through their communication message, and these three appeals are rational appeal, emotional appeal and moral appeal. According to the rational appeal, marketer believes that the consumer make logical and rational decision. Therefore, they attempt to communicate the various benefits that the product promises to deliver. Then next is emotional appeal. A company may make use of emotional appeal in a positive or negative manner in order to convert potential customer into buyers. Then moral appeal. Through this communication approach, the marketer conveys moral or ethical values to consumer. Next we will go through the message structure. According to Philip Kotler, A communication message must address the following three structure issues. Whether the message must draw whether the message must draw a conclusion or should be left to discretion of consumer, whether the message must show both positive as well as negative aspect of product or service, or should the message be confined to positive aspect alone, and third, whether to put forth the strongest point first or the weakest in the message. Then third one is message format. The format of the message should be strong and supportive of the type of medium being used for communication, that is print media, electronic media and outdoor media. Then last one is message source. Consumer lay great importance on the communicator of the message. They accept the message only when they believe that message is being delivered by a credible source. This is the reason why most companies insist that their sales personnel are in formal dresses while making presentation to the customers. Many marketers sign celebrities or reputed sports personalities to endorse their product, as the consumer are more inclined to accept the credibility of a product when it is endorsed by their favorite celebrity. So this is basically about the developing a communication program. In developing a communication program, there are 4 steps, and these 4 steps we have discussed. In the third session, I will discuss about the promotional tools or marketing mix in marketing communication mix. Then another topic, factor need to be considered in setting marketing communication mix. These 2 topics I will discuss in the third session. Thank you everybody for attending the session.